Hey everybody, this is my mucho caliente cabbage. This cabbage is cooked. I've got onions in there, got kielbasa, got cabbage. I've also got Creole seasoning, black pepper and garlic powder. I do have onion powder in there, and I do have onions in there. You can never have enough onions. And I put red pepper in there, and that will get this cabbage with a little bit of bite to it. And after I use my vinegar juice, look at all those red peppers, hot peppers. Gosh, talking about something good. Talking about something that'll have a bite to it. This mucho caliente cabbage, well, it'll have a bite to it, but all I can do is put the toilet paper in the freezer and hope for the best. Just cook it till it's soft to your particular liking. I don't like mine real limp, and but I cook the sausage first, then throw in the onions, and then cook the cabbage. Just put it on a slow simmer, and I've got olive oil in the bottom, just kind of help with everything. And this will make a good meal. And it's a cheap meal too. And I'll eat off of this twice. There's 2 meals off this. It's lunchtime now, but I'll eat it for supper too. And there you have it. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.